guys, we're back with another Animal Company video, and I have something very special for you guys. So I'm posting a series of me going to Haunted Mansion and getting as many bags as we can, but it was supposed to be every day, but I'm gonna do 2 parts today. But every other day I will not be doing 2 parts. I will be only doing 2 parts today. So I already posted the other videos, so you should go check that out if you didn't see that one already. But yeah, so far, if you didn't see the video, we have 3 full bags of crystals. So we're gonna go get more. Okay. Just got favorited. Then I'll have. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun series. I used to have somebody with me, but they don't want to do the series anymore. I'll probably ask another person in like part 3. But for now, if I don't find anybody, it's just going to be me. So, yeah. It'll be all of me. Yeah, how do you guys like the new sounds of the grapplers? I personally really like them. They're pretty satisfying. Really satisfying. Yeah. Haunted Mansion? Oh yeah, don't be afraid of Haunted Mansion. It's just a mansion that's pretty not scary. There's 2 ladies. No. There we go. The key. Let's go. You gotta check every door, bruh. Every door. Well, I didn't check every door because I don't know. I'm just built different and I know where everything is. So, yeah. Well, we're down here and there's a lot of red ones. If those were blue ones, that would have been the jackpot. An absolute jackpot. But yeah, I literally just posted the first part series. It had a person for like a couple minutes. Jump! Okay, we got it. Okay. I don't really like how when you go into a thing, it changes the skeleton skin. I wish it was just like the skin you chose. Ooh, the jackpots! Woohoo! We have hit the jackpot today. Wow. We probably already have like 8, which is not that good. But hey, it's something. Go around, check. Okay, need a full check. We're just gonna go around, don't take any damage, or we take a little bit of damage. There's some red ones down here, but there is no blue ones. I'll mine them if I need them. I'm only mining them if I need them, but I'm not gonna need them because I'm doing only blue crystals, so I'm not gonna need these. Oh yes, bluey, blue. We like the blue. Blue. We like you. We like bluey. Can I grab that one? Thank you. I'm gonna stay on top of this one. Old lady here. Oh yes, one more. Okay, we're gonna grab here, and we'll go back down. Oop, take some damage. Here, let's just go ahead and mine the red ones, so the blue ones can spawn. We do not need these red ones. Absolutely all. I should probably go mine those ones up there too. Just so more of them try or should spawn. Holy, I'm like high gravity in a low gravity spot. Yeah, if those were all blues right there, bro, I would have actually been the happiest mean love. But yeah, I don't think any are gonna spawn up here because there's so many red ones. Let's just see if I can get some research points out of these too. Okay, we mined some. Oh yes, bluey. Oh, we're gonna take some damage. Okay. We're full. Oh wait, no we're not. We're not. I thought we were full, but nope. Not even close, I don't think. So just go see if some spawn down here. Yes, they did. I told you my theory is correct. Yeah. I'm always correct, guys, in Animal Company. Just trust my thoughts. Never leave. Okay, we have to aim our grappler perfectly. If we miss one, we're cooked. Okay, I'm gonna keep one, just because I need it to move around and get the other ones. If I can get off the ground. Okay. Oof. Okay, let's just grapple on just in case. So we're gonna grab our backpack and full. Let's go, we got it. Holy! Jeez, we're heavy. We're gonna get full from this. I can tell. Are we full? I think we're full. Hold up. Or I just can't reach it. Nope, we're definitely full. Okay. Drop down. I spent way too much money on ray guns, and I'm not buying any more because I can't afford it. Okay. We can just grapple up there if we can. Okay, come on. Okay, we're up. Ooh, now all we gotta do is just jump. Jump. Oh, we got to the top. Gotta get to the top. Let's go. Money. See, I changed colors. So it's just weird. Yes. We have all the bags. Well, not all of them, but another full bag. Let's just see. Just in case if, like, you know, 4 full bags. We're going back for more. I need to turn on the light. We're going back for more in a different code. Come on, let's go. Okay. Well, let's get our backpack. And let's go. It would be a really easy journey if we bring a what is it called? A heart gun. But no. We're doing this with no heart gun. Not until the end, until we sell all this at the end of this series. This will probably be like an 8-part series, so yeah. I record in the same code every day, or I am going to. So if you ever see me in a code, you could join it and probably be in one of my videos. If that's cool. That's pretty cool. Being in my videos. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, you're wondering why I don't do the Wi-Fi glitch. I'm not doing the Wi-Fi glitch anymore. It's because if you do the Wi-Fi glitch, it crashes your game. So I just do it. The key's in there. Yeah. Okay, first we're gonna. Holy. Was not expecting that. Definitely not expecting that. Kinda was expecting that though. Like, who doesn't expect bombs from those? I've gotten bombs from those like so many times. So many times I can't even count anymore. It's not even funny. Oh. Yo! This is a jackpot. Yo! As long as none of these fly away, we're chilling. What? Wait, I've never seen so many of these just in like one spot before. If there's more somewhere, I'm just done. I don't even know. This game is just lucky. Right now, I was never lucky. And I'm probably gonna get unlucky for saying that. But hey, we got a lot. So this won't take as long, I guess, ish. As long-ish, you could say. Because it'll still take like a couple hours, days to get a lot of money. And at the end, we're gonna be calculating how much I've gotten, and we'll sell it, and then let's see if that calculation is true. And there's no blue ones down here because they're all red. I forgot you could grab onto these. I actually never knew that. I don't know why I said forgot. I never knew that. Did anybody know that you could grab on to oh, there's blue ones, but did anybody know you could grab onto these, like ores? Can you even grab on ores, or is it just these? See, see, guys, follow me. Follow me if you want to have more chance at money in lava map, or not lava map, in Haunted Mansion, because we're making money. Lots of it. Oh, great. Great, we can't get that one. Ooh, don't fall. If we fall, bro, cooked. Okay, there's more right here. Bro, we seriously hit the jackpot on this one, though. Okay, we're gonna head back up. This is the strat. It takes a little bit, but this is the strat to making lots of money. Animal Company St. Patrick's Day 2025, or Pi Day, whatever you want to call it, in 2025, bro. It's one of the best money-making methods, but lava map is even better. But I don't know the new route, so we're just doing this. And it's for a fun video, I guess. If you want to call it fun, or an enjoyable video. And comment down below if you like these type of videos that I make, because I'll keep posting them. So, ow. Ooh, comp coins. Yay. Okay. Call it like this, we can reach farther so we don't get hit. Okay, we're gonna head back down. It would be cool if some like spawned like right here. None have spawned back here yet. There might be some up here though. It might be because we're not like collecting them, or something else. They do spawn around these edges a lot. Sometimes. See, more red ones are spawning. I swear I just mined all of them. Health is fine. You might have to do another cut. This one's not looking too good anymore. Like it was good. Oh, I take that back. We got some blue ones, yeah. But I swear, if I mine all of these and it gets like full, and my backpack's full, go back up, grab all these. Bro, are we full? Hold on, we might be full again. Okay. Yep, we're definitely full. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna buy a ray gun this time. I'm just gonna do it. Oh yeah, there's that one still right there. I hate when they get stuck like that. Okay. Let's get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on, give me my money. I'm doing this a lot faster when I'm by myself. I just realized that. Like, I'm doing this so much faster when I'm by myself than with another person. Another fallback. By the time this series is done, it's probably gonna be full. I'm gonna sell all of it, then my game's probably gonna crash. And then we get no money, then that was all for nothing. And then, yeah, we're gonna do one more run. I guess we'll do like, yeah, a row every day, I guess, or column every day. Cause this is getting tiring. I can see that. It's getting very tiring. So, I do this for you guys. Yeah, I do this for you guys. So, yeah. Money. I just can't think of all the money. Here, we're gonna calculate it when we're done with this one. We'll see how much we have in total, and then we'll times it by how much you make from it, which is 420. So you make 420 knob, or freaking, what is it called? Every single time, like, one of the blue crystals is 420. So we just gotta times whatever we have by 420. And we're chilling. Hope it's in here. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Haunted Mansion. Thank you. Okay. Another run. Should we go in a different code? Whatever. We probably should. She's right behind me, isn't he? Or she's right behind me. She yelling it. Holy! There's still more. Holy! I thought it was just this. No, it's another jackpot, guys. Full jackpot, and one is flying away. That's not what we want at all. Dang! Yeah, I hit that jackpot again. Okay, why aren't they mining? Let me mine. Oh, research point! I've never gotten a research point for one of those. I've only gotten comp coins. Because comp coins are bussin'. We probably already have like 8. What? Guys, I swear I just mined right here. What? Okay. Thank you, Animal Company. This is really helping out a lot. The Animal Company gods gave me Mulala. Okay, it's gonna be risky, but we can do it. What? Okay, we got one. Get over. Oh, that scared me. That scared me. Oh, that actually scared me. I took so much damage, but that heart doesn't do nothing. Oof. Let's go. Back down. Okay. Oh, we're going through it. Oh, I'm so dead. Whew, I'm in the yellow. That's not good. Ugh. Ha. We're gonna die if we keep doing that. 30 cash, I need to know. Money talks. Money talks. Just sit right here. I'm gonna back up. Oh, what? I guess there's just some over here. Oh wait, yeah, from the time, remember? I don't know if you guys remember or not, but I had to come back, yeah. I had to come back. And guess what? They're still here. Okay. I was about to say, we got full bag. GG's for Haunted Mansion. Because, let's go, we got one more. Ooh. Some more red ones just spawned in. That could also mean some blue ones spawned in. Please? Yay. Holy, this is a lot. Hopefully none of them fly away. And we're full. Of course we are, bro. And we could come back for those ones too. Okay. We're gonna take some damage right here. Okay. We made it back undamaged, totally. Let me cook. Yes! Money! Give me money! Give me my money! Give me money! Give me my money! Come on! Take me! Take me home! No, let grapple down. Nope. I'm in a circle. Yes! Money! Money! This takes way too freaking fast. It's actually kind of fast. Oof. There we go. And 6 bags. So, 6 bags. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. Well, we already have 50K in the bag. 50K. It's 50K right there, bro. I'm done. I'm gonna get ready to freaking go, cause I'm done with this game. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we got 126. Cause there's 6 bags, so 126. So we're gonna get the calculator. 1, 2, oh, wait. 420 times 126. That's 125. Said 420 times 126. 552.93. So that means we would have to make 240 just to make 6 more bags. Hold on, let me do this. I need to sit down. let me see if I have done this right. Let me close this real fast. I need to see. Can I move this? Or can I not? Okay. Okay. Okay, well, so if we got 420 times 2, let's just do, well, times that 12. So, that's a 3, then that's a 2. So that would be 432. 970. How much do we need to make 100K? Okay. Let's try 420 times 250. Okay, apparently we need 250. 250 rocks. So if 6 bags is 126, another 6 bags. 126. Oh my god, guys, I can't count, bro. 126 times 2. 250. Oh, I did that wrong then. I did the calculation wrong. Not the time. Okay, so that's 252. Then 252. And, oh! to 52. Yeah, because 420 times 252. Yeah, yeah. Okay, there's 100K right there. So we just need 6 more bags. Sadly.